So the Indian approach to AI, we'll discuss this. So Niti Aayog, the government think tank and also government ministries. So Niti Aayog in 2018 teams up with Google to integrate AI models into startups into their business models. Then the first discussion paper and approach paper in two parts, 2018 and 2021, on AI regulation were published. Then government ministries in 2017 set up the AI task force, a Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and in 2018 committees to prepare AI roadmap. The Ministry of Electronics and IT did this. Now Niti Aayog, the national strategy for AI in 2018, articulated the vision for how India should approach the development and use of AI. So AI, defined as the ability of machines to perform cognitive tasks, can be transformative for economic and social development and seeks to steer the development of AI towards solving societal needs, including in sectors of healthcare, infrastructure, and education. So the truly transformative nature of the technology, yet the nascent stage of its adoption worldwide, provides India with an opportunity to define its own brand for AI leadership. That is hashtag AI for all. The brand proposed for India implies inclusive technology leadership, where the full potential of AI is realized in pursuance of the country's unique needs and aspirations. The strategy should strive to leverage AI for economic growth, social development, and inclusive growth, and finally as a garage for emerging and developing economies. Right. So this is basically what is AI exactly. So we have sense, comprehension, and action, right? So AI technologies for sensing are like computer vision and audio processing. This is for mostly images and video data. This is audio processing for music or other types of audios, right? Then for comprehension, we have natural language processing (NLP) techniques and NLP models and knowledge representation. And for action, we have machine learning, data science, and expert systems. And illustrative solutions are virtual agents, identity analytics, cognitive robots, speech analytics, recommendation systems, and data visualization. Right, moving on. Responsible AI for all. So this was a paper which studies the ethical implications of narrow AI, which is a broad term given to AI systems that are designed to solve specific challenges that would ordinarily require domain experts. Both systems and societal considerations are explored from the perspective of narrow AI only. Broader ethical implications of artificial general intelligence or artificial superintelligence are not considered in the paper. Responsible AI for all. So AI governance must balance innovation with potential risks. This document recommended a largely non-interventionist, self-regulatory approach towards AI, while recognizing the possibility of risks to rights for all citizens. So the document stated that the development of AI systems may be done in collaboration with multidisciplinary stakeholders to ensure adherence. Now, system considerations: understanding the AI systems functioning for safe and reliable deployment. Post deployment, can the relevant stakeholders of the AI system understand why a specific decision was made? Consistency across stakeholders, incorrect decisions leading to exclusion from access to services or benefits, privacy risks, security risks, and accountability of AI decisions. Now, this is the black box problem. Okay, so let's discuss that. So, while the advances in ML algorithms and techniques have greatly contributed to higher accuracy, the underlying AI systems have also become increasingly opaque. Such systems have been successful in using a large number of features to make complex and sometimes consequential decisions, but without exposing the underlying rationale. In traditional statistical approaches, human programmers influence the choice of parameters and the mechanism to influence the prediction. In AI systems, input to the model, called features, are provided along with the correct output through annotated labels during the training. The AI system then identifies the relationship between input features and the labels. Understanding this relationship becomes harder as the models become increasingly complex. This manifests itself as the inability to fully understand an AI's decision making process and the inability to predict the AI's decisions or outputs, also known as the black box problem. Basically, the opacity of the underlying features or the underlying mechanism or the rationale that the AIs are using for training their models. So Niti Aayog, the AI and business, teams up with Google to conceive of ways to integrate AI into business processes, strategizes actively to experiment among India's population by private sector, positioning India as a playground for the globalized database technology industry, and the role of state is conceived of as a facilitator or enabler for private enterprise.